I woke up at 8 a.m. and I did some yoga for the first time in my life. Rishikesh is known for their yoga ashrams, I think you call them, and a lot of people are doing getting their yoga certificate so they can teach yoga here. So I had to do it while I'm here. Now I'm leaving for lunch, and after that we're going to the Beatles ashram, and yeah, we're gonna check out the Beatles ashram. The Beatles came here, I don't know when it was, 60s, maybe 60s, 70s. So we stayed here and did yoga basically. So that's what we're gonna do now, or after lunch. And we're going to have lunch at my favorite place here in Rishikesh so far. It's called Little Buddha Cafe.
Still, just as a guide who's taking us out, and it's not like lessons.
The Beatles ashram. Is it their ashram, or they call it Beatles ashram because they stayed
They
there?
stayed in it, yeah.
This is the one I have a picture of from before. Pretty cool.
Blackbird's flying on the wall as well. And he didn't bring it for him.
Wow, nice.
Is that a Gopro?
Yeah, man.
I think it's this way, but we can try this way. Beautiful man.
We're checking out this old abandoned hotel, still here in the Beatles ashram. Is it going up?
Yes, sir.
Oh man!
Wow. That is crazy view.
Yeah.
Like, it's
hard
well
as-
worth shooting
Yeah,
for that.
crazy view for us too. You should have worn underwear.
He likes it, look. He's got a boner. How to do it, like an end product and stuff, is like incredible.
Wow. So they have 84 of these small meditation rooms. Just sit here and meditate. We're done at the Beatles ashram, and I'm gonna grab me a coconut. Hello. Yeah. Is it cold? You have cold?
हमारा मन है
No cold?
उधर चलते हैं दादी अपना रेस्ट कर लेंगे थोड़ी देर
How much is one? He only had hot coconut, so I didn't buy one. I'm gonna grab me a cold canned coconut water. Tastes good. Now we're done with the ashram. We're heading back to the city. It's about a 20-minute walk, and I'm getting a little bit hungry again. I only had a pancake earlier, so maybe I grab some samosas or something. We'll see. Monkey's just chilling.
Josh, man, wants to know where we're at. What are we doing?
What time is it? It's not too early for dinner, right?
A lot of things happening in the streets of India. Time for dinner.
Yo, man. Just a friendly reminder, you know? Especially for this guy.
Especially for me?
Yeah.
No, come on, man.
Oh, yes.
I'll see you guys later. I'll just work you out.
Is it open?
Isn't it good?
Think so?
Okay, you've done fine.
Only got
I'm from you, everyone's a winner. Everyone gets a prize.
Great.
Participation prize for kids, right?
Can we pull a couple of tables together? Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Cool. Where do you want to sit? Here or there?
We'll move that table over it. Whoa, careful, man.
Oh. Yeah,
Sure. I want to go.
me too.
You guys should.
Yeah, we should.